Hey guys, today we'll be installing some goodies into my 2018 Subaru WRX. Well, obviously we need to get a COBB Accessport to access some tunes for it, but let's take a look what's inside. Let's see, what's this here? Ooh, a nice oil cap. Nice, go into me. This is definitely harder to open with one hand. Let me. Oh, let me use my knees here. Let's take a look at this. Nice packaging. Ooh, feels really nice. Has some weight to it. Definitely high quality by Mishimoto there. Alright, we'll probably install that first, since it's the easiest mod to install. What else do we have here? Ooh, a swag bag. Let's take a look what's inside. Let's see here. A nice, for your beer or any other drink. If you're underage, do not drink. It keeps your drink warm, cool, not warm. Some stickers, definitely going in a car. Now, if you guys don't know, I am actually sponsored by Mishimoto, so shout out to Mishimoto for these awesome parts. A nice air freshener. What else there? More brochures. A nice lanyard. Probably gonna keep this lanyard right here. A nice lanyard. Another air freshener. And let's see. And I think that is it for the swag bag. There's nothing left. Alright, let's move these to a side. So a little later, and let's get to the good part of what's in here. The heat. A nice big heat shield or heat box, whatever you want to call it. What else is in here? The pipe itself. And the mass airflow wire, couplers, push the limits, and the air filter itself. I already took a peek at this. Sorry I didn't do like a proper unboxing for you guys, but I took a peek. I couldn't wait. Last night when the package came in. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down, get my car set up, and we'll get these installed. The oil cap. Start with the oil cap. Is there any oil I can like kind of pick out to like lube up the O-ring here? Yeah. Now we're gonna toss this on right here. Perfectly aligned, facing the front, push the limits. Alright, and now we have to pull apart the stock intake. And I'm looking around, see what bolt I need. That looks like it might be an 8mm. That's airflow. And then from what I saw on their video is we have to take this under tray out. So let me get that all apart and I'll come back to you guys. Alright, I got all the pop clips out. All you guys gotta remove now to get the under tray out is these bolts right here. Make sure you don't cross-thread them. That's gonna be a bad thing. Oh, look at that. My car's already scraping at stock height. Huh. Alright, that's so. And then we have to get the on the other side. We'll take it out. And then back to the top to remove the air box. Yeah, there's a way. There we go. I think it should be good to, like, yeah, I think it's good to. Oh. Like that. use our fingers to remove it. There you go. Now it should like all come out. Oh, I think I missed the pop clip or something. Possibly over there. I'll be right back. Alright, yeah, I definitely thought I've got 2 pop clips that were like basically next to the wheel, so now we can move this aside, put it somewhere safe, pick up all the pop clips that I took out. You guys don't want to lose those. Alright, let's see. All that. This is definitely hard doing it with one hand. Now that one hand's holding the camera. Oh god. I'm gonna clean up real quick and be right back. After you pull out the under tray, you want to take these 2 pop clips out. If I can get a good video photo. That one right there, and that one. And then you want to remove this 10mm bolt right here, right there. And then so you can pull this down and access everything inside here. I'm gonna grab my 10mm real quick. Where's my ratchet? That's right. Pardon me. Change that out, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got my 10mm, and I'm just gonna remove this real quick. Can I turn the rest of the way with my fingers? Yes. We can pull this down and access all of this right here. So we're gonna remove that. Remove that. We'll leave the bracket, and then we'll be on our way. Alright, from the top, you would want to remove these pop clips out to remove the factory snorkel. Put this somewhere safe on top of the car. And this one right here. Let me switch hands real quick. There we go. Now I'm gonna move this somehow right here. There we go. Turn it over so we can. There we go. And this should, by default, technically slide right out. There we go. Save this for later because I believe we're going to be using this. And then to access this, we gotta remove that bolt. We gotta remove that with a screwdriver. So I go find a small screwdriver. I think that's all, and then that's right here. I gotta remove that bolt, and I think that's it holding this in, and then the rest is under the car. So I'm gonna go get, what is that? Is that a 12? I think that's a 12. We'll find out later. And then a really small Phillips screwdriver. So let me go get those, and I'll be back with you guys. 10 mils. If I said 12 mil, my bad. So now that this is out, kind of, we have to go back down and remove that right there, and that right there, and the turbo's right there too. So yeah, I just need to go get, I don't know what size that is, but I'll find out and get them removed and come back to you guys. Alrighty then, I got the intake out. The stock intake is right here. Now we just gotta transfer some small things like the mass airflow sensor. And we can start installing the old or the new intake. Alright then, I'm just gonna go find myself a really small Phillips to take this out and then transfer it over to the new one. So I'll be right back. Here's a closer look at the intake piping. I got the wrinkle black. Looks like they use, oh, there goes my Allen keys. They use Allen keys instead of the old bolts, so I might just bolt those screws back into the old intake just for safekeepings. And I'm going to take this out and install the map sensor in. Alright, now that we got the mass airflow installed, I'm going to install the filter. I'm just going to use a flathead to make this Oh shit, my thing is flying away. I'm just gonna use a flathead to make this easier. I'm gonna try to do this one hand. Maybe I should use my right hand since I'm right-handed instead of holding the. Yeah, no, I need to use both hands for a minute. Alright guys, now that I have the intake sitting right there, now I just gotta put this bolt back in to hold it, the bracket into this, and then we just put it all together, and we put the heat shield in, or the box. The master flow's right there with the extension, and then we should be ready to hook up the COBB Accessport and go for a test drive. So I'm just gonna put the clamps on real quick, and I'll be back. Alright, I got everything bolted up lightly. Now I just gotta find, oh, there it is. Plug the mass airflow in, and then this is kind of hard to do with one hand. I'm just gonna set you guys up. I found a clip right there. Alright, that's good. Now I think we have to install the heat shield, and we can tighten everything down, put the splash guard back on, snorkel, and we'll be ready to install the tune and go for a test drive. Oh, excuse me, that was a nasty hiccup. And I'll be right back.
Steady. It's hard to keep a steady grip on them. Have to blur some license plates.